Hi guys, it's John from immoviewer 360 here, and today I'm going to be continuing on the administrative function series. So, for those of you who has access to administrative rights or who has a broker package, uh, this is very useful for you guys. So, what I'm going to touch on today are these two buttons, creating agent profiles and viewing the list of agent profiles under a specific sub-account. So to get here, again guys, all you have to do is just click on admin and it'll show you the list of sub-accounts that you have under your hierarchy. Now, so to start off, to add an agent profile, what you want to do is you want to click on create agent. It's the green button right here with a plus sign. Just click on that and some profile fields should appear on your screen. So in this case, this account already has one profile, but we'll add another. Now, question, John, why do you have to add additional profile under this particular account? Now, the reason for this is, say for example, this agent has a colleague, or this agent is a team leader. You know, you can, or this agent has other agents working for him or her. So you can actually add additional profiles, but this is most useful especially if you have a photographer or a company photographer who's taking the photos for you, and you know, you just give him an account and he creates the tours for this for these agents. Say for example, if an agent just doesn't want, you know, an immoviewer account, just the tour, then you can actually do it this way. So, yep. Here's an example. Just click on receive notifications for this contact, add their profile image, and click on submit. As soon as that's done, you'll notice that it'll lead you to this screen where it shows you now that there are two agent profiles under this particular account. On a separate video, I'll show you how to assign an agent profile onto a tour, but for now, this is how you add additional agent profiles under a sub-account. So again, what happens is you click on admin. To view the agent profiles, just click on this blue button right here that says list agent, and there you have it. You'll see all the agents under, or agent profiles under this particular account. If you wish to edit one of these profiles, by the way, all you have to do is just click on edit and make the changes. Once you're done, click on submit, and there you have it. So again, guys, that's how to use the create agent profile and the list of agent profiles under the administrative functions. If you have any comments, feedback, suggestions, please feel free to let us know. Send us an email at help@immoviewer.us. Thanks, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.